All ways to get Spotify Premium for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to discuss a couple of ways on how we can get Spotify Premium for free, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to get Spotify subscription for free, I can suggest you some of the ways. First is that let's say that you just open up your browser and just go to spotify.com, log into your account, just tap the login option here and then just go ahead and then sign in right like this. Once you sign in, let's say you want to upgrade to premium but you don't want to pay a certain amount of money. In some cases what happens is that if you're lucky, you might be in a time where Spotify is currently giving out free trials and offers, so you could actually have 1 month free trial. So instead what you can do is you can basically pick that 1 month trial over here. When you pick that 1 month trial, for 1 month you get completely free, and only from next month onwards you can go ahead and then just directly try to actually pay for it, which means that you'll only be charged from the next month onwards. In that case you can just cancel your membership next month again. So if you want to get for free for 1 month, that is one of the ways to do it. Now the other ways are basically not free, but if you have some kind of gift card code or anything, you can also choose to redeem them by simply coming to the account section and just going to the gift card methods by going to your payment settings and basically adding them. So you can tap the redeem option here. If you have got some premium code that maybe someone gave it to you, you can redeem that code, and this way also you can get it for at least some type of discounts. The other way is always by selecting a student plan. So if you're one of those who cannot afford maybe an individual or maybe a premium plan, you can go to the premium section here, and instead you can choose to basically just pick up a student plan which only costs you $1.49 a month. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically get Spotify Premium, if not for free, then at least with some discounts in 2023. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.